How's it going? Who are you?
I'm good. I'm Guy. I'm here from Polymelta. We're a Israeli company that's manufacturing hybrid components with functional parts for various industries, including space, automotive, industrial.
Okay, that's interesting. Are you, where are you established in Tel Aviv?
Nope, we're in the Haifa area, part of Israel.
Okay, and so far have you had any contact with aerospace companies or you just,
We work here locally in Israel with some of the aerospace companies like IAI, other subsidiaries.
okay. Hey Amos, hello?
Hello, everyone. Hello, Guy. Hello, Christian. How are you?
Hello. What are you up to, Amos?
I have a question. I see that, Guy, you are producing some aerospace products. And Christian, what are you doing? I think you presented something before. Correct me if I'm wrong. Can we switch
I,
or we are all... Where do you come from, Christian?
I had the accelerators for Airbus.
Oh, yeah. And I sent you a message regard to Airbus.
Okay, great.
I have a question. I don't know if this is the purpose of the group. I have a question.
It is.
For both of you, for Airbus, I know very well Airbus. When I used to work in the security company, I used to work with Airbus for a different area. But now I moved to, before the Corona, I moved to a new company. It's called Kitov. We're doing AI, artificial intelligence, smart vision inspection for Aerospace products. For example, we work with the guys in the north. I'm not sure if I can mention the name, but for example, Rafael is using for the head of the dome in Israel. They're using our system. It's a robot, has a camera, and doing some inspection, on the top of the computer. So my question is this is something interesting for Airbus? Can we look for some potential cooperation? This is first of all, and maybe for you, Guy, maybe are you looking for some smart vision inspection for your aerospace products?
I mean, for us, it is interesting. Do you have a little bit more, if you would share a little bit more info there? Or share with me a pitch deck, then we can take a look. Inspection is definitely something we're looking into. So that would be interesting, yeah.
I can show you a quick movie. It's very interesting for both of you. The company in Israel, for example, Rafael, the dome, the head of the muscles, it used to be checked by personnel, by people, and they found that a lot of people making a lot of mistakes after they're doing the visual inspection. And they decided to buy our system, and today they are doing the whole inspections by smart vision inspection. The whole idea is, by the way, we can have only software only with the whole robots. I will show you a quick slides if it's okay. Is your permission?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Thank you. I was trying to get into this aerospace. It was the most important for me. I couldn't join, so now I'm here. Thank you. So which part of aerospace are you in Airbus are you? I guess you are in Germany or in Switzerland?
No, well, I am based in Germany. My team, we cover everything. We have offices in Madrid, Toulouse, Hamburg. We're partnering with a local accelerator in Tel Aviv, the Junction. And we have one office in Bangalore and one in Shenzhen.
Oh, Bangalore.
And what is your target, Christian?
Sorry?
What is your target?
Well, the target is, there's a lot of things we do. So one way is to take technology we develop to build companies outside of the market. And it also goes the other way around, that we say there are a lot of things startups do that are great. So why not integrate them within Airbus? So it goes into both directions, right? And we are the interfaces on getting startups into Airbus and spinning out companies out of Airbus.
Okay. And what is the main area of focus you guys are?
At the moment, I mean everything that is aerospace related, right? It can be everything, because we are at the interface of technology. So we have two main focus areas at the moment, which are sustainability and passenger experience. But we don't limit ourselves to those topics, right? We handle everything that is aerospace. So connectivity, materials, AI, quantum computing. These are all the topics we're talking about it.
Right. So yeah, and Airbus is a huge organization, so you know how to
Yeah,
pinpoint to the correct people within the
correct.
organization that can
Absolutely.
help them.
Absolutely. So if you have a topic like here Amos has, with smart inspection, I with high probability know the right person to talk with an Airbus, who is ready then to take a very preliminary look at this, and if it fits their business. If it fits their business, then we manage the relationship on getting that in very, very quickly.
Okay.
Excellent.
So,
What do you think about the, as you can see, the learning for the product is really, really fast. You can pick the CAD data or the QIF data from the system, we import, and then immediately we can do the inspection based on your quality book, or we can have some 2-3 goals and learning the system like deep learning. We do that in a fast way with 2-3 pieces. And after that, we can do inspection. You get the results in visual results, comparing between and after, and you decide if this is a false alarm, if it's not a critical problem, you just ignore, and then the system learning the whole defect that you ignore if they are not as you define it, and that's it. And after that, you can run it anytime. If you have a small production, you come back to the production later on in about 6 months, you always can retrieve the programming. The programming, it takes only a couple of hours, and it's really fast.
And what kind of clients do you already have?
What can you repeat? Sorry.
What kind of clients do you currently have?
Plans? I didn't understand the word. Did you say plan?
So who are your clients at the moment?
Who is our client? Sorry, I couldn't
Yes.
understand the word client. First of all, we are targeting aerospace because we have amazing product that can see scratches and bends in very critical places that you cannot see them by eyes. We can do also measurement, by the way. But we are very strong in automotive area. We sold more than 50 machines like this, a lot in Germany, in Italy, in Japan. We are cooperating with Denso robot, but we can work with any robot that you want. And we can sell only the software package, and you can put it on any robot that you want, embedded inside of your system. We are very strong in aerospace, in automotive and electronic. For example, company like, the big industries or manufacturers like Flex Electronics, Bayer, in the medical. A lot of the big guys bought our system and they integrated in the inline. But we are very startup, we're only 50, we sold 50 systems. It's not enough. And we are
No, but okay. But it's okay. It's exactly what we do. So why don't you do one thing and send me your pitch deck over? I will put my email down in the chat, and then I will check back with our colleagues from
your team. I know very well Airbus it's in Paris, in north of Paris, and also, yes, and also in Ville. I've been there many years, but I was dealing with them mostly with cyber solution and some other activities.
Yeah, that's what they do in Lancourt. No, very good. Guy, what about you? Do you have something you want to share with me? You want to have some validation from Airbus, or?
Yeah, sure. I mean, what we do mainly is related to function parts, they call it. So as I think you guys in Airbus are also using additive manufacturing of polymers to some extent, and they're looking to replace metal within your different products, whether it's an airplane or helicopter or whatever different products you guys are using. But we can offer to replace metals by using a 3D printed or injected molded part with the unique plating. So we actually metallize the part and making it into a hybrid part, meaning that it's now more of a metal-like features of it, which can make it, of course, much stronger, can protect against EMI or interruption, thermally and electrically conductive. It has a lot of features, and of course, if you choose to use the 3D printing plastic as a base technology because that's what fits the challenges most, then it's the biggest added value that you can bring. With also a lot of design freedom, design of specific components. We are offering mainly the use the part, but we provide our customers a technological platform to do so with our design team as well.
Do you also have something you can share? You can send me, and
Yeah,
I can look for the right person.
Yeah, I can send you a short presentation just to give you a few slides explaining shortly in what we do and what's the value proposition and who's the team, and maybe one case study just to show you how we work and what we do and what we can achieve. Also, by the way, from the sustainability point of view, we're using recycled polymers and also everything is low energy process, no carbon footprint. So also,
Okay, that's interesting for us, definitely. So I wrote the email down in here,
yeah, I will
and you can send me something over.
okay, you'll have it in a few minutes.
Okay, great, good. When you send it over, then I send it to the internal customer, and then you're gonna hear back from me.
Great.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds good.
Okay, great. So just time-wise, because I have to move out now at 1.
Thank you very much.
If there's anything else, let's chat on the chat. Okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
It was nice meeting you.
You too. Bye-bye.